WQ0P, over.
Whiskey Queen 0 Papa, this is King Mike 5 Papa Oscar. Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Greg. You're 5 and 8, a rain scatter, but quieting on FM. Quieting on FM. I'll give you the equipment report on the next over. Over.
Okay, very good. Very good. Thanks for the 5 and 8. You're very strong here. I'll go 5-9 here on FM. Running 1 watt into the 24-inch disc. And we're in Echo Mary 19. Echo Mary 19. St. Mary's, Kansas, over.
QSL, the Echo Mary 19. I'm located in Echo Mike 12, Mike Uniform. That's Irving, Texas, suburb of Dallas. The equipment here is running 10 watts, probably half of that getting to the 60 centimeter dish, and a down east low noise amplifier designed by Al, W5LUA. And we're on top of the parking garage here in my apartment complex, pointed at about 10 degrees towards a near 70,000 foot rainstorm. Over.
Roger. Do you happen to know the distance? Do you have a quick reference on the distance between you and me? Over.
Roger, I did look it up. It's right at 440 miles in the 700 plus kilometer range. Over. Roger. Thank you, Greg. And you put a lot of them in the logbook this afternoon. It must feel good. And thanks for rolling out there and going portable for us and giving us the best DX target we've had so far this season on rain scatter. Whiskey Queen 0 Papa, King Mike 5 Papa Oscar, 7 3s.